Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has rolled out a brand new build for the Canary Channel insiders, build 26002. And this latest build rolled out on the 29th of November, which was late once again in my region. And if you are interested, just to have a quick look at what is hot off the presses and what's new in this brand new Canary Channel build 26002. Now, the key highlight, and I think this is one I would like to see rolled out to the stable version eventually, is that Microsoft are introducing a new energy saver with this new build, which they say extends and enhances battery saver. So they mention that it's an easy way to extend your battery life and reduce energy use by trading off some system performance. And as we can see, it can be toggled on and off via quick settings in the system tray or configured to run automatically whenever the device reaches a certain battery percentage. And they also mention that while optimized to extend battery life, Energy Saver will be available when PCs are plugged in. And this also is rolling out and includes desktop PCs for those Microsoft says aiming to conserve energy all the time. And I actually think this will be a nice option available. I'm just giving you a little bit more options available just to configure your device for performance or to extend basically the battery life and extend your battery life. And if we head to the next screenshot, here we can see an example of Energy Saver that's available and is available in the quick settings, and you just pop that on and then this will turn on the new Energy Saver. Now that's the new key highlight, but while we are talking about quick settings, there's quite a lot going on with the quick settings when it comes to changes and improvements. And Microsoft say that they are also trying out a change that improves the overall performance and responsiveness of quick settings in the system tray. And they're also making it easier to manage VPN in quick settings. So if you have a single VPN, a new split toggle lets you turn it on and off with a single click. And then if we head to the next screenshot available, this is one I have mentioned previously in a previous insider build. They are beginning to roll out a new refresh button on the Wi-Fi quick settings flyout. And if we just scroll in, we can see that here right at the bottom. So you can now refresh the list of wireless networks available. And there's also at the top also an indication of scan progress to help you find nearby networks, which Microsoft says if the first scan does not reveal the one you are looking for. And as mentioned previously, this new refresh button is also another feature I also hope makes its way into the stable version in an up-and-coming future Windows 11 release. Now, over and above that, settings. If we head to settings, the home page in the settings, this update starts the rollout of account-related notifications for Microsoft accounts on the settings home page. So just making it obviously easier to manage your account from the home page. And if we head to our apps and installed apps, they've also removed what they are calling the colored backplates from app icons in settings, apps, installed apps, as well as settings, system notifications. And currently in the stable version, you can see that those colored backplates are available. And Microsoft says that this is an early implementation with more fixes on the way in future flights. And then over and above the new features and those changes and improvements, obviously there are a couple of fixes rolling out for known issues. And then because it is early days in the Canary Channel, there are 3 new known issues, which is quite normal in the Canary Channel because it is still early days, and the Canary Channel is quite an unstable version and build of Windows 11, as many of you will know. But nonetheless, the key highlight that Energy Saver now is starting to roll out with this brand new build 26002 to the Canary Channel insiders. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.